Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to create flat pattern. Can create for the new part. Okay, I will use in millimeter for the dimension. Click start to the sketch and I will create a rectangle. Now click the extrude tools to convert into 3D and click OK to apply. Now you can convert to sheet metal, select the face and click OK. Like you can create flanks in this bottom here for flank. And I will create again in this point, flank. And also at this edge, flank. You can set for the angle, click OK. If you want to create flat patterns from this part, you can click the icons, create flat pattern, and it will be automatically patterns the objects. If you want to go back again to the folded part, you can click at this icon. Okay, this is for the go to flat patterns and back to the folded part. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor 2027, how to create flat pattern.